You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right?
Have people that says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else. That's not a virtue. That's not a virtue. That's just somebody who's compelled to clean a kitchen.
You are so eccentric. You are like the poster trap.
Just doing defects.
Just pull up Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Let me hear that.
Just pull up Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Look, Creek Diction, 1949. And at the end, I like to go, cocaine on his back.
Is that just pull up Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I dropped you a defect.
It's chili.
Chili. I call him Chili Dog. Yeah, I dropped some cocaine on his bag. This before it's over with. This is not a telethon. Not like. Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telethon. We don't need to tell each other anything.
So, on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog